You send it again. Here's a document. 400 pages of it. Paste the whole thing into the model. It fits. There's room to spare. So ask it one question. What does page 3 say? And the answer is wrong. Nothing was cut off. It didn't forget. It never looked. Start again with an empty window. This is the context window. It's a budget measured in tokens. Not words, tokens. Call it about 3/4 of a word each. First, the system prompt. You didn't write it and you're paying for it on every call. Then every turn of the conversation so far. Yours and its. Then the question you're asking right now. And one more thing almost nobody counts. The reply it hasn't written yet. The model has to leave room for its own answer. All of that has to fit inside the budget, and none of it is remembered. It is resent from scratch on every single turn. So keep talking. Every turn adds 2 more. Yours and the model's. The budget does not grow. The conversation does, so the gauge fills. And then it's full. Something has to go. It is always the oldest, which by now is your system prompt. Everything you told it about how to behave, out of the top and gone. People call this forgetting. It isn't decay. It's eviction. Here's the part that catches people. Look at the conversation itself. Nothing changed. No warning. Nothing in the transcript at all. Your client did the trimming, and most of them never tell you. Some just drop the oldest turns. Some replace a run of them with a summary. 14 turns become 1 paragraph. The gauge goes back down, and the detail is gone with it. So the model looks like it stopped following your instructions. It never had them. Fine, make the window bigger. That is what everyone did. 200,000 tokens, then 1,000,000. The entire conversation fits now. So do the 400 pages. The gauge barely moves. Problem solved. Except it isn't. Ask about page 3 again. Wrong again. Nothing was evicted this time. Every token is still in there. But attention is not spread evenly across it. It reads the beginning clearly. And the end clearly. The middle gets the least of it. A window it can't attend to is a window it doesn't really have. There is one more thing a context window isn't. Close the session. All of it is gone. It was never stored anywhere. Open a new one. It starts from nothing. Wanted to know something from yesterday? And you pay for it again. Every turn. That is the whole difference. The window is working memory. It's what's on the desk. Memory is what's in the drawer. Something outside it that you go and fetch from. And bring into the window when you need it. So 3 things follow from that. 1. Put what matters at the ends. The start and the end are where it actually looks. Not buried in the middle of a dump. 2. Send less, not more. A smaller window it reads properly beats a giant one it skims. Filling the budget is not the same as using it. 3. Anything that has to survive goes outside the window. A file, a database, something you can retrieve from. Not the conversation. A context window is not memory. It's a budget the model rereads from scratch. Every single turn.